Login 360 Proxy and click on the API. You can select the country, state and city. Here you can enter ISP, zip and IP to search. Open the Bit browser after the copy is successful. Click at Enter browser name. Select the platform on which you want to find the proxy. Click Extract by API. Select 360 Proxy, paste on here. Click Test. Click Confirm, return to the browser list. And click Open. You can see that the IP address in the pop-up window is the same as that 360 proxy, which means the extraction is successful.